welcome back to my channel. It's me Michelle and hope you are doing good. I just recently craving green chutney and I have made it last time, but today I'm gonna make it with you together. So let's go down, let's make green chutney. I have been like craving it ever since, and trust me, I can eat that for over 6 months. Like I can eat it every day in the morning for breakfast, and that's my absolute favorite thing ever. So let's go down, make some green chutney and see how it's gonna turn out, because last time I made, I think so it was not that spicy, but I like it more a bit of spice. I think so I add just 3 to 4 onions, sorry, 3 to 4 chilies, but today I'm gonna add up a little more extra. I think so I had put more of a coriander, but today let's see, I'm gonna measure it up and just put it all together. So let's go down, let's make green chutney together, and hopefully I do it right, because I'm not a big cook. I am not a cook actually. I can do it 50 out of 100. Ashford cooks are really nice, and hopefully I start up a new channel now. So let's go see what I do. Firstly, we need the chopping board, because I'm just gonna place everything here. Also, I'm just gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar and then some mint, of course. I'm gonna place everything here so I don't forget what I need to put in, and also some green chilies so I get the spicing up a little bit. Also, it tastes better if it's spicy. And then of course some coconut, chopped sliced coconut. I had got this from Qualities. You can use any sort of coconut you have, even the fresh one is very good. It's perfect. Of course, these are the frozen ones. Also some bit of coriander, that is the main part. So these are my required things. Moving on with the next thing, I'm just gonna like get all in plate so I don't forget. And then these are all the required things for green chutney. Also, we need an onion, some tamarind, some garlic, and also some jeera, of course. And these are the main things for green chutney. I know all of you must have known better than me, but I'm just like showing you guys. And just gonna like put some coconut in a plate as to how much I need. And here's the coconut. I think I took it a bit less. I should have taken some more. Some green coriander, sugar, mint, chilies, garlic, tamarind, jeera, and some onions, of course. And I'm gonna like place this aside so I can like put everything in the mixer, in the grinder. And here is my machine, which will squeeze it up really quick, and I'm all set to have my green chutney. I never thought I would make one, but I mean, like, as you grow older, things and time changes, so we have to like learn everything by our own self. Also washed my coriander, of course, because sometimes you never know. I just like washed it. When I added in the mixer, I added coconut, coriander, some garlic, tamarind, and forgot to wash the tamarind, so I quickly just washed it and added in the mixer. And also gonna add my jeera, of course, and also some mints, of course. I added like about 6 to 7, and also some chilies. First I'm just gonna try with 4. Let's see how spicy it is, and then if I need, I'm gonna add some more chilies. And just added 4, and then we are gonna like burn the onion. We are gonna roast it. I would have done it on the tawa, but then I thought like this would be much easier. You can do whatever you absolutely is working for you guys. So this is much easier for me rather than removing the tawa and fry it on there. if you fry it like this, I feel the taste is much better and you get the taste and flavor of it. So I feel like that's enough for me burning it out. And now I'm just like gonna add it in the mixer so it could grind well. And yeah, just gonna adding up. Also added my 2 tablespoon of sugar, of course. So these are the required things. And now I'm gonna grind this really well so it could get finely chopped. Also added a bit of water in it so it could grind. And now let's begin and see how my chutney has turned out, because I am very excited, because this is something like big for me. Probably, I mean, like, as time comes, we need to learn everything we have to. So I think so I need more of the tamarind because the taste and flavor is very less. So I added more, 2 double teaspoons of tamarind, and the one that I had put was very little, so I'm just gonna add more of it. Also I added extra 4 chilies which I didn't record, and because I think like these chilies are not that spicy, but which we get in Goa are very spicy. Of course, here most of people don't have spicy food, and for me, I don't like spicy food also, but for chutney I prefer it. So just added some more to get the taste and flavor of it. Chutney is all ready and this is how it looks. I hope it tastes better. I tasted already, but it's much better than last time, because last time there was no much chilies. So this is the portion I made. I know it's quite a lot. Probably it would fit in a tiffin. I did not make it little because I like to make it in big portions. So here it is. It tastes much better. Also looks very nice and creamy. So I'm gonna put this in this container and keep it in the fridge for about 2-3 hours so it could set really well. So time to put this in this container. And also gonna add this small coriander for presentation so it looks nice, and how it's made of. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna close it and keep it inside now, because in the evening time I'm just gonna have a nice chutney sandwich because I'm really hungry too, and I also want to taste how it is. So let's keep it inside for about 2-3 hours. So see you. Hello, I'm back again, and you must be thinking why I'm filming in my room, because I should have been in the kitchen, but it's busy down there. And I thought like I'll just take a video here, a clip here, because I have good sunlight as of now. So back after almost 3.5 hours, and now I feel like I'm hungry, and green chutney became really good, but taste test is still on the go. We are still waiting for that one. So my green chutney is right here, and here is my green chutney I made for the very second time actually, and this is how it turned out. It looks like a bowl of ice cream, like it looks somewhat like that. I just added one small bit of coriander just for dressing and stuff. It looks nice. The color is perfect, not that dark green. It looks like I put yogurt or something in it, but there's nothing additional, just whatever I showed you in the video. But this is how it turned out. Very much proud of myself, because I mean, like, it takes long to be doing it probably, but yeah, I'm very happy, and this is my favorite thing ever to snack on. Like, this is the perfect thing for like picnic, any sort of parties or anywhere else. Like, green chutney sandwich is a must to have, and I just love having it. In Goa I should have this green chutney chutney. I told my mom to even make it for me especially. So this is mine. Now I know how to do it, so I'll be making it anytime I crave for. So here it is. Very much proud of myself. So let's go have, because I'm really hungry, so I need like a good chutney sandwich. So let's go make. And also one more thing, I just added extra bit of tamarind which I did not record. I just added the extra one portion of that because I wasn't getting that taste. Also added one more chili. So altogether I put in about 5 to 6 chilies, but those were like not spicy though. So it's according to you how much you want, according to your spice. I know you guys might have known much better than me. I'm just a starter. I'm not that a cook, but I made this. Very proud of myself. So like, and my chutney sandwich is all ready. I'm just gonna place it up on this plate right here. It's very quick and easy for any sort of an occasion, and it's the best thing to snack on. So these have turned out very nice. I have just like toasted with some butter for on the frying pan, and all set to eat. So that was everything for the video. Hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do hype my videos as well. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye guys.